So now let us learn the third type of construction of triangle, that is to construct a triangle given two angles and the included side. Means they are going to give you two angles and a side which is included with these two angles. Okay, so now after practice set 3 you will write number 3 and this statement. Okay, and then we are going to solve practice set 4. So here is practice set 4. Construct triangles of the measures given below. In triangle SAT, so what is the triangle's name? Yes, triangle's name is triangle SAT. Length 80 is equals to 6.4 centimeter. So they have given us one side. Its name is length 80 and measure is 6.4. Measure angle A is equals to 45 degree and measure angle T is equals to 105 degree. So now we are going to first construct the rough figure. Okay, so we need a baseline and they have given us the measure of one line, that is length 80, isn't it, which is 6.4 centimeter. Okay, so first I will draw one line here in this way, whose measure will be 6.4 centimeter and name will be AT. After that they have given measure angle A is equals to 45 degree. Means from here 45 degree means it will be an acute angle in this way. Okay, 45 degree. Next, measure angle T is equals to 105 degree. 105 degree is more than 90 degree, means it will be an obtuse angle, isn't it? So suppose in this way. Then now we will join both the sides like this. Then we will get triangle SAT. Okay, here we will show 105 degree. Okay, so this is how our main diagram or construction will be. Okay, so from this rough figure we got an idea. Now I will take a scale and now I'll draw a length of 6.4 centimeter first. Here I'll draw it. See, this is my 0. Yes, and here is 6. Yes, more than that 4 lines, that means here. Okay, so this is my 6.4. I will join it properly. 6.4 centimeter. Now I will take my protractor. Okay, and I will first name here A and here T. Okay, now I'll keep first my protractor on A in this way. And now I will draw an angle of 45 degrees. So this, here is my line. So I will see inside 0. This is 40 and here I have 50. In between them I have 45 degrees. So in this way. Okay. Now I will join this. This is 45 degree. Now I will draw an angle of 105 degree from T. So I will keep my protractor on point T. Okay, after that I'll now just see this side 0 because my line is to my left hand side. So left hand side 0, I'll search 105. I have 100 and 110. In between them I will have 105. Okay, so now I will join this point in this way and this line I'll extend. See, my extension is going above. So what you can do, children, see here I have got my triangle SAT. Here I will show 105 degree. Okay, so what you can do, just a minute. Now you got an idea, our triangle is coming little bit taller, isn't it? So you can shift your baseline little down so that your main construction will not intercept your question. Okay, so you can shift the baseline little bit down, but construction is correct. Did you get an idea how to construct a triangle when two angles and the included side is given? Okay, now we'll move on to the next sum. Now we will solve the second sum, that is in triangle MNP, length NP is equals to 5.2 centimeter, measure angle N is equals to 70 degree and measure angle P is equals to 40 degree. Okay, so first what we are going to do, we will construct a rough figure. Yes, so see, I'll write here rough figure. Now what I will do, first I will draw the side of length 5.2. Suppose it is in this way. Hmm? 5.2 centimeter NP. Now N is 70 degree. So here I will draw an angle of 70 degree. Suppose this is 90 degree, is it? Little bit inside, means somewhere here, like this, will be my 70 degree angle. Yes, and here in this way I will have next angle, that is of 40 degree. Yes, P is 40 degree and N is 70 degree. So in this way I will have my triangle. Okay, so now let us go for the main construction. So I will take distance 5.2. This construction is very easy. Third construction, and very interesting. All the construction are you do practice it, means you will be perfect. So here 5.2 is 0, 5 and next two lines. Okay, so now you will mark them. That is 5.2. Okay, here wherever my pencil is there, that is my 5.2. Now I will remove my pencil away. I will write here NP 5.2 cm. Okay, done. Now I will take protractor and keep it on N first, because my N is 70 degree. Okay, so I will keep here in this way, and now right side 0 I will see, and I will search for 70 and I will mark there 70. Okay, so this is my 70 degree. I will write here 70 degree. Now P is 40 degree, isn't it? So I will keep on P. Now I will see my left hand side 0. Earlier I saw right hand side 0, now left hand, and I will search 40 degree. So here is 40 degree. Okay, now I will remove my scale and I will join this point. Okay, so here I have got 40 degree, and now I will name here M. So we got M and P triangle. Is it? So is it very easy? Now we are going to solve question 3 from practice set 4. Yes, before that we have just solved question 2. Yes, one length of side was given and same sides angles were given. So NP was the side, N angle was given and P angle was given, isn't it? So we constructed the triangle with help of these three elements. Now in this sum we will read that and we will try to understand it. In triangle EFG, length EG is equals to 6 centimeter. Length EG is equals to 6 centimeter. Measure angle F is equals to 65 degree and measure angle G is equals to 45 degree. Yes. Now our third type tells us that they will give us two angles and the side included by those two angles. Means whatever angles they will give, for example F and G, then that side only they are giving, FG. But in this sum we are having EG side. Yes or no? Here if you will see in this sum, they have given us angle N and angle P and side is NP, correct? NP. So side is also NP. In the previous sum what we solved, They had given angle A, angle T, and side was AT. Did you see AT? But now what has happened, students? They have given us angle F and angle G. They should give us FG side. Yes or no? But now they have given us EG side. Yes? So, don't get confused. First, our rough diagram will be, we are going to draw seg EG, 6 centimeter. Yes? From G, we will mark 45 degree. But from E, what should be our angle? See, we have learned in 6th standard that measures of 3 or sum of the 3 angles of triangle is 180 degree. Okay. So, see here, what did I say? I said sum of 3 angles. Every triangle is having 3 angles, 1, 2 and 3. Addition of these 3 angles will always be equals to 180 degree. Yes, so if we add angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3, its addition should be how much? 180 degree. Now they have given us 2 angles. What are they? 65 and 45. Yes, so see, 65 degree plus 45 degree, what it will be equals to? Yes, 110 degree. Means 2 angles we know. 2 angles addition is 110. We will subtract it from 180. 110 we will subtract from 180. How much degree will remain? 70 degree. Yes or no? So our third angle will be 70 degree. Did you understand here? So now we will solve our main sum. Yeah, we have just recalled. So see, we all know that this is triangle EFG. Yes. So see the solution. Measure angle E plus measure angle F plus measure angle G is equals to how much? Yes, 180 degree. Just now we have seen that the sum of the 3 angles of triangle is 180 degree. Now, do we know angle E's measurement? No. So, we'll write here measure angle E as it is. Plus, measure angle F, 65 degree. Plus, measure angle G, 45 degree is equals to 180 degree. Okay. Therefore, now, measure angle E we have to find out, so we'll write as it is. 65 plus 45 will give us 110 degree. So, plus 110 degree is equals to 180 degree. Did you understand? Now, this plus 110 we will take other side to find out the value of measure angle E. So, see, therefore, now we have to find out value of measure angle E. Yes or no? So measure angle E I will write here. Now positive 110 I will take other side. But at other side do we have 180 degree? So I will keep it as it is. 180 degree I will write, and now I will take this here. It will become negative 110 degree. Did you all understand? Yes. Therefore measure angle E is equals to 180 minus 110 will give us 70 degree. So measure angle E is equals to how much? Yes, it is equals to 70 degree. Now EG, can we draw EG? Yes, from G we will draw 45 degree and from E we will draw 70 degree. Okay, I'll show you now. See, rough figure. From rough figure you will get an idea how to construct the main figure. Before that, write down this and take, or you can take a screenshot. Yes. So did you take a screenshot? Okay. Now we will construct rough figure. So here is the rough figure. For that I will take scale and pencil, and first we need EG 6 centimeter. So I will show you. This is EG 6 centimeter. Now E is how much? We have found it out. Angle E is equals to 70 degree, correct. So here acute angle I will show 70 degree, okay, and G they have given us 45 degree, so this will be our 45 degree. So here is 45 degree. So did you get an idea how will our main construction be? So now I'll first draw an angle of side of 6 centimeter in this way. 0, here is my 6 centimeters line. Yes, now I'll write here 6 centimeter EG. Okay, now I'll take my protractor and I'll keep on E first and draw 70 degree. So my line is at right side, so I'll see right side 0, I'll get an 70 degree here. Okay, now with the I'll keep the compass on G in this way, and now my 0 is at left hand side. I want 45 degrees, so I'll say outside, 40s and 50s middle. Here is my 45 degree. Okay, keep in mind and join properly, otherwise you will join some other point only. This was 45, huh? Otherwise you draw one and quickly draw its line, huh? And this is 70 degree. 70 degree, 45 degree. This is F. Now if I will keep my protractor on F in this way, see here, keep it properly, it is 65 degree. Okay, you can see when you will keep, it will be exactly 65 degree. Okay, so this is how we are constructing question 3. Okay, so take a screenshot and do complete the construction. So did you all understand? Yes, so only fourth sum is not solved. So now what you are going to do, you will write practice set 4, is it? And after that you are going to solve or write practice set 4 question, and these 3 sums you are going to solve. Also you are going to solve the fourth construction on your own.